Alright, I got this CHAMPKEY golf grip set. 13 grips, 15 tapes in a kit, and everything that I will need to put them on. Let's check out and see what we got. Improve your golf swing and your golf games. Has some regripping instructions on the back. Alright, we have the CHAMPKEY grip solution, which is in a, says it's a spray solution, but it looks like it's a squirt bottle. We got a cutting knife. We have a club clamp that fits in your clamp. I like that. That's nice. I like the fact that the tape, the solution, and the clamp insert came with this. I already have my own gripping clamp set up, but this one will be easy to store in case I need it someday. I'm not sure that I'll use this cutting knife, but hey, free cutting knife. And it looks like we have some instructions. 8 steps on how to regrip your club. There we go. I got these because I was experimenting with the Jumbo Max grips earlier this year, trying different sizes. And I like the feel of them, so I was kind of hoping to find something similar to the Jumbo Max Junior, but a little more in my price range. So I got the oversized grips, hoping they're similar to the Jumbo Max Junior. And a nice rubber insert inside of here. Poly grips, they feel great. Soft and tacky. I like that. Feels good in my hand. I like the texture. These should be good in the rain too, I would think. All right, I'll go throw one on now so I can compare them to the Jumbo Max Junior. And I'll show you the comparison. Be right back. Alright, so I threw this on my 8-iron here, and this is the oversized grip from CHAMPKEY. It's definitely, it feels great, it feels good, nice feel to it. It's definitely larger in size than the Tour Velvet Golf Pride grips. It's definitely larger in size than that, but it is not as large as the Jumbo Max Junior grip that I have on here, which I knew was supposed to be one size larger than a standard oversized grip. But this thing feels great, and I'm looking forward to giving it a shot tonight in my league. We'll see what happens.